with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
NDDT fam, welcome to a very unexpected video. You know we have an intro, but I'm not St. Mary with it. So today I'm gonna make that big bad family roti. Remember the roti? I did a shorts for it though. I'm not sure if I posted it on the Jamaican Deb stream, but I'll check it. If you are those who are following me, maybe you would have seen it. But let me welcome all the new people coming on over onto the Jamaican Deb stream. The subscriber count go up, you know. Yeah man, thank you all so much. Welcome those who are there with me from the beginning of the journey. Everything cook, everything curry. Remember when we reach the big and 25,000, we're going to be having just a little teeny bit. But just don't subscribe. Remember to watch the videos. Thumbs up the videos. Leave me a comment below. Most of all, watch your ads. Check out our Amazon storefront. Check out our merch store. Check out, most of all, our Patreon page. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. Any way you can send on the support, we welcome it. So now I have here some flour, but this here look like enough. But anyway, I put in my baking powder already. Cause look here, them time there when my mother was making this thing here, you know, she not measure nothing, you know. So I just put in some baking flour and put in some baking powder. Let me say I've put in baking powder, just powder and salt. So she do it. You understand? So we are gonna mix it with some water. So this is supposed to give me one big round dumpling, roti dumpling. Is what me I say. So that me I go do here right now. I'm just gonna be mixing it around, taking my time, and I just want to make it look like it did enough, but it not enough. Yeah man, a family size dumpling roti back then one. Bloody flour poil, Papa Jesus. No sir, flour poil. Make us see how it go. Yeah, what they do when the flour spoil. But let me tell you, only thing back then it would have been counter flour, so it would have more gluten. And you know counter flour, it's heavier, it have more gluten. This is all-purpose flour. See? So nearly spoil it, you know, see? We nearly spoil it. Look there, show them that. Look how most it spoil. So I go on, cause so she used to have her pudding pan, you know. Parry. She need it in, knuckle it in. And here I go on. I sprinkle look more. I don't want to get too soft, cause enough the dough, enough for too soft. What me get it, you know. Well, it ain't never bad, cause me did use all purpose. So look at. I'm not clean this in a parry, I'm not cut. And when she done, but you can comment, you know. As you watch this video and go along, you can comment. Yeah, the counter flour, not so free. So should I clean the edges them while she is kneading. Knead, stir on the dough, clean the edge, comment and tell me. Watch me again, look at me again. She not clean where she at this point. Not clean, you see that? Clean, knuckle, clean, knuckle, clean, knuckle, clean, knuckle, clean, knuckle. You see how the bowl are clean as it go round? So my mother, so she used to knead and she done. You not see nothing, me not good like her, me try. But me not reach there. Cleaner than this in our pudding pan. So you see how this is, so it, yeah, we are going to leave it, make the flour, you know, rest. Then when we come back, the dough we have a smooth look. So look here, that me I go do. Just like the perfect thing, yeah. Perfect something. This is about 1.25 pounds of dough. So I get about 15-20 minutes. And next clip, you show now we are going to roll that dumpling here. So parry, we are back. You know, it's dough is really soft and I'm supposed to use Jessie But may I put that, forget it really hot. See there, no oil. No oil. I'm not sure how she used to do it. This is how she does it. So may I use a little, yes, I use the coffee mat here. So put it, round it up. As me tell you saying, I see it. The all-purpose flour, it not have enough gluten like the counter flour. So because it must have a thickness. You see me I say, Pari? Yeah, so I just use my hand. You see me? I don't remember. I think she would have rolled, you know, with some coconut oil buckle. Remember them rum buckle, pint time, quarter imperial quart. Yeah, but guess what? I'm going to roll. I want to get the thickness because enough it thin. I make my pot hot. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, you see, this is about a 1/4 inch. This is not 1/2 inch. Yeah. From pot for hot. Pot hot. Yeah. Supposed to have this thickness. Yep. This is a very thick thing, so that's why I'm doing it in there. So I make it stay up on one side and go on with stick. Alright, now Pari, see it? Must have having baking powder, you know. So at this point, you can turn it with my hand. Yes, that's how she do it, but it not start take color yet. You know? So the thing is, you don't want to get the heat too high. It is going to take a little color and get that little rotty look, that little charred look there. But you can't let it start too early, because the thickness of this, it have to cook slow and give it time to cook on the inside. When we open it inside the drawer, it must be this thing must be crispy on the outside and nice, soft and properly cooked on the inside. So this right there, you know. I'm gonna want to squeeze it down. I don't want to squeeze it down because I saw it for stay, I saw it for thick. That's the beauty of it. So I'm gonna go and turn it, because at some point when it starts getting more firmer, it's not that firm as yet. I'm gonna remove it from the pot. I'm gonna put it on the griddle, because she always at that point should I take it out of the Dutch pot and put it on some stone or some hot sitting there where they have a fireside. So remember, so this is not the authentic one of the fireside, them they do it on the stove. So catch me. Alright, so you see, start take that thing. It's supposed to get a little darker too. I'm not sure. I don't know if I put too much baking powder this time, because I never really measure it. But the last one I didn't measure. But probably I put too much, because this time I double acting I have. So see, it pot for dry, it for dry. Kind of swell up a little, but I don't want to press it down too much, because I don't want it to burst. Yeah, so we have it right there. So when you see me next, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to put this is a rack from a different one. Next grid from a next one. I ice it. And I'm show you how it do. Yep. Okay, so you see how this side, it has the crisp already. So I make the other side, take it, me just turn it. So I make the other side, take the crisp, and then I go move it to the direct the grid on the stove. I want to see. Yeah. Alright, so I have on me extra. I ice this up, so turn it down low. So I'm going to take it out now from out here. So you see the other part start get it to, you see it? Put it back right there. So, and I'm going to be keeping I keep turn it and turn it. So I'm going to ease it back sometime this year, so I shouldn't burst though, but we work with it. Carry it out underneath it. So don't start smell up now. You start smell it. I burn like now, but it's not burning. You're gonna smell it. So I have to keep. So when you look, you're gonna see some steam come up out of it. Now that it is on to the direct heat almost. You can see the steam come up out of it. So I have to be careful now. I have to have probably my mitten. Alright. See, after that little time there, see it start get extra brown. Alright, now put it back again. See it? Go light around here, so. On here it sound. Yeah. So when I get the drill, when I see me next week already, one thing I never like, I don't know, it look like the thing is, you know, some of these flour you see, I keep telling us, some of these flour, they are different texture, because I used some that was in a bag and it never looked enough. And I threw some out of a new bag. And then when I threw it out, I realized even though it was them say all-purpose flour, it had a total different color. So, no problem. Alright, now Paris, see, they may have it from one side to another. It's done. So, normally, you hear it? You hear that crisp? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to stay. Crunchy on the outside there. Wow. You hear that, Barry? You see on the inside, you see it? Alright. May a cut piece, but wow, you hear that? Ooh. This is so hot. You see it? You see it's all done? Whoa, gosh. There you go. I forget my towel, man. It's really hot, Barry. It's hot. And we're going to cut it now. You see that? You see it? You see the steam? Mercy. Back then, it wasn't this kind of butter, though. It would have to be the long time rusty butter. Then. But those butters were really flavorful. They were so flavorful. So watch this now. And it's yellow. So you're going to slap them together. And it's going to melt. Look at that. Make it stay there. And melt until it's dripping. Them butter there. Yeah, man. Them butter they did yellow. Now have them kind of white color. Those were margarine, but we said butter. Look at that. Put it in there until it melts. You hear me? You see that melt? You see that drip? Ooh. Me have to eat. Me I go eat. Jesus, no pray for me. I want to bite it. Listen. Crisp on the outside. All of that nice butter. Incredible. I know my mouth messy. I just want to take it over to you. I'm napkin and towel. I will let it drip them on my hand. And we are liquid hand. Next look. Somebody did comment. Left my one Debbie. I think it was Lana. Lana see it here. Say the fever grass tea. She said bush tea. Fever grass tea. See it here, girl? Yeah, man. See it there? You see that? Suck up your whole eye butter. Fever grass tea. After school we go. Catch you.